Hey, what's going on guys? I'm the Feline Techie and welcome back to another video. So I was made aware that you can now downgrade the iPod Touch 4th generation to any version of iOS that it shipped with. And considering this is a white iPod Touch 4th generation, this came out around the time iOS 5 came out. So this can only be downgraded to iOS 5. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and do that after we set up iOS 6, because I had to restore it just for this video. Alright, so we have a fully set up version of iOS 6, and now we're gonna go ahead and downgrade to iOS 5. Now, if you don't already have the iOS versions that you want to downgrade to downloaded, I will put a link in the description below to where you can download the IPSW files for what version you want to downgrade to. I chose 5.0.1 because I think that's a good version to downgrade to, so we're going to do that. So now we're going to go ahead and launch Legacy iOS Kit, and we're going to hit Restore Downgrade. Now this is the new option right here, DRA V6. So we're going to go ahead and press enter on that. We're going to select target IPSW, and for whichever one you have downloaded, it'll show up here. We're going to do 5.0.1, and of course we need the base IPSW, which is 6.1.6. You will also have to download that if you don't have it already. Now we can go ahead and start restore. Jailbroken on restore? You know what? Sure. Yeah, sure, verbose boot, I never had this enabled. Let's do, Pwn DFU mode, and we're gonna send it into recovery mode. Okay, now that we're in recovery mode, we're gonna do the steps to go into DFU mode, so we're gonna do, yes on this, and we're gonna hold down the power button and home button for 8 seconds. Let go of the power button. Alright, perfect. And there you go. You have successfully downgraded your iPod Touch 4th generation to iOS 5. Yeah, all this stuff, skip it. And here we go, iOS 5. On the iPod Touch 4th generation. Doesn't that just look so good? Anyways, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, leave a like, or maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video.